Deck flashing failing causing water damage to your house is a serious problem that you need to fix fast to avoid costly repairs. So, like if your deck flashing is messed up, water can sneak in where it should not, leading to rot and damage to your home's structure. First off, check for any gaps or cracks where the flashing meets the house or deck. You want to make sure the flashing is sealed tight with a good waterproof caulk or sealant. If the flashing is rusty or bent out of shape, it's probably better to replace it instead of patching it up. Also, keep an eye on how the flashing is layered. New flashing should go under the siding and over the deck ledger board to direct water away. When you install new flashing, use metal that won't rust, like aluminum or copper, because this stuff lasts way longer. Don't forget to clean out gutters and downspouts nearby, so water doesn't pool and cause more damage. And finally, if you're not super confident with DIY stuff, it's smart to get a pro to check it out and do the job right. One of the biggest mistakes people make with deck flashing repair is ignoring early signs of water damage like stains or soft spots on walls. Catch that early and you save a ton of money. Another common issue is using the wrong kind of flashing material or not installing it properly, which just lets water leak right back in. Always pick durable materials and follow installation best practices. And lastly, skipping regular maintenance like clearing debris or inspecting flashing yearly often leads to bigger problems. Setting reminders to check your deck flashing can prevent headaches down the road. BigHomeProjects.com is perfect if you want to find trusted local contractors who know their stuff when it comes to home repairs like flashing replacement. Plus, it helps contractors connect with homeowners looking for reliable pros, making the whole process way easier for everyone involved.